your store won't save your soul. They can only buy your time. Light a candle, curse the dark. It's all the same. Start a fire, drown the spark, and shake away the heat. Tell the truth or don't close your eyes. Let down, so spent. You've been holding up the world. Like you should. It's a burden that you never really understood. But Carolina's doing fine. It's the others who are dying. Light a candle, curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown the spark, and shake away your heat. Tell the truth or live a lie. Just don't close your eyes and you're breaking, but you're faking. Nothing's ever wrong. And concealing what you're feeling, always standing strong. But you don't need to act like you don't bleed when you come falling down. 'Cause there's no healing when you're not feeling anything at all. Light a candle, curse the dark. It's all the same to me. Start a fire, drown the spark, shake away. Be a burden or a song. Stick around or simply find. Don't lose your There's no gravity that sucked me in your orbit. There's no magnet that was in your heart. The one restriction was the friction that was keeping us a little too far apart. But why fight it? I was secretly delighted. I gave chase and then I let you win. You felt lovely when you loved me like a fool, but now I can't let go of your skin. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, darling. And I'm stuck to you, but I'm cozy and I don't wanna wiggle loose. You're honey like a finger in the beehive. The bees are buzzing in a tizzy fit, and they're stinging, but I'm singing like a fool, 'cause you're as sweet as a banana split. You're sticky like a hippie in the summer. You're like syrup in the slushy tray. And one touch of you and I will never leave, 'cause I believe I can't get away. You know that I never knew that you are crazy glue, darling.